Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix League of Legends error code 004. League of Legends error code 004 can be easily fixed by running the game in an administrative mode. In order to do that, head to the search panel of Windows. From here, search for League of Legends. Then click on Open File Location. After that, right click on the League of Legends shortcut and go to Open File Location again. Then head back to Riot Games. Click on League of Legends. Go to the game folder. Right click on the League of Legends exe file. Go to Properties. Go to Compatibility section. From here, run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK. In addition to changing the settings of League of Legends compatibility section, you can also try to reset your network. So in order to do that, from the search panel of Windows, search for settings, then click on open. After that, go to the network and internet settings, go to advanced network settings, click on network reset. From here, click on the reset now button to reset your network to the factory default. After doing these steps, you can successfully solve error code 004 and enjoy playing League of Legends again.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.